Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt, who talked about the ongoing drought many producers are facing and how it affects them.
Now Emma is back with a recipe to share. Here's her take on a new use for some of those ripe bananas on your kitchen counter.
Well, you may be looking for a quick way to get breakfast, and we have an idea for you. And joining me now again is Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt. And what do you have for us?
Hi, John. I have an easy banana recipe for muffins that you can make into bread. Also, I have my two little girls helping today, Hadley and Elena, and this is one of their favorites to have before they get on the bus in the morning. And we're getting it made because next week we start school already. So to get started, we put a cup of sugar in, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla. Then what makes this recipe extra good is 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 eggs, a half stick of butter. We make sure it's softened so it mixes a little bit easier. And then you want 3 ripe bananas. And this is a favorite of the kids', but it's also a favorite of our pigs because they get all the scraps. So we'll put that all in and we'll mix it up. And then once that's mixed in, we'll just pour 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. We sprayed our muffin tin, and then we find it easiest just to use ice cream scoop and fill your muffin tin. This will make usually about 12 to 16 muffins. You could also make mini muffins. Then we're going to put this in a preheated oven at 350 for 20 minutes.
When does school start?
Next Wednesday already.
Next Wednesday, so a week from now.
Yes.
You guys are going to be going back to school. And what are your grades? What are you guys in? What grade?
I'm going to 3rd. I'm going to kindergarten.
Good to know that you have some banana muffins ready to go too. All right. Thanks for sharing that recipe with us.